All right, today I'm taking a look at the 6-bay Aeromax charger with the 6-pack of Aeromax batteries. So here are the batteries. Charging cable, looks like we got some anchors with mounting bolts if we want to lock that thing down. And the charger itself, and this thing actually looks pretty darn nice. We do have mounting holes on the bottom, so if you want to hang this on the wall, that is an option. And if you did do that, I'm sure this would help to protect the wall, to protect the paint, so if you ever want to take this thing off, your paint would still look good underneath. So we got our main charger in the back, and everything looks well ventilated, so that's good. We do have a power switch, so we can turn that off if we want to conserve power. And here's our power cable, so we're looking at about 4 feet for this. Okay. So we are powered on. So that's nice. We do have red lights and green lights. So it will be very abundantly clear if this battery is fully charged. So this is my Radius CP200. It is important to remember that this is a 3-contact battery. This is an original Motorola 16.21 watt-hour battery. Plug that in. So we are red, so it is currently charging. And here's the new Aeromax battery. So this is an 18.5 watt hour. So this is even larger than the batteries that we're currently using, and the batteries we're currently using last us all day. We work 8 to 10 hours, and that's not a problem. So that's great. It does come with a clip on the back already installed. And if we want to remove that, we can just grab that pin. There you go, and it pops right off. So we can take this in the event that this battery ever dies, and we can replace another good battery with this good clip. And let's just see if the new battery fits in properly. Yep, good fit, and it does come charged enough to actually test the radio. So we know this battery works. And it actually kind of brings a whole new life to the radio. Like it feels pretty good, it feels durable. Cool. So having a good 6-bay charger like this is great. I mean, it's great just for having everything in one place, but it's also great because you're not taking up a lot of outlets and you're not wasting a lot of power. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this guy up, and that way when our new radios come in, they will be fully charged. So these batteries were in various states of charge when I got them. So they're almost all the way charged now. They've been charging for a little while. There is no heat on here, which is great. So I don't have to worry about that. Unfortunately, I only had to use one of those Aeromax batteries, so that's one of them. And the rest of these are still the original. I just had one bad one. I don't even know what I did with it. But yeah, all these are all backups. So that is one fantastic hookup.